you are.
Red balloons. Oh my gosh. More balloons.
What else is in that bag? Keep looking. There might be more than just balloons in there.
More balloons. Oh my gosh. More balloons. More balloons. After I finish these things, I'll eat my cake.
Okay. What else is in that bag? Keep looking.
Oh my god. What is this?
That's a game that we can play later. It's called Candyland.
Let Daddy see it. What is it, Lila?
It's called Candyland.
Oh, it's a game.
Yay.
Is it in a plastic thing? Nice.
What's that? What is it, Lila?
Cool.
It's a pool.
Yeah, because Daddy broke your other one, didn't he?
Oh,
Say thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy.
And there's one more.